Namaste student. Today let's go for knowing the flow of energy in the food chain, or even you can take the food web. First of all, the flow of energy. How? Plant prepare food, and to prepare food it goes for the process of photosynthesis. Remember student, only 1% of the solar energy is absorbed by the plant for the process of photosynthesis, and that is taken only by plants producer. So this plants are the first level, so we can also call it as first trophic level. First trophic level. Now remember one thing. The 1% of the energy that is taken from the sun is utilized for conducting or doing different metabolic work. Maybe respiration, growth, development, other form. Whatever meant for the life processes. So plant is not absorbing sunlight, or plant is not performing photosynthesis to give food to others. It is doing the process for its growth, development, and for the metabolic activity, respiration, etc. And in that case, the plant will be taking 90% of its energy, whatever it has got for its growth development. Now student, that is the most important thing you have to keep in mind. Plant is eaten by, next level is the insect. And the insect is getting only 10% of the energy from the plant. Means 10% of the production or for the photosynthesis process. Of that, 90% has been utilized for the plant growth, development, respiration, and other factors. When an insect eats leaf, it gets energy from the plant, but only 10%. Now, when the insect is eaten by frog will also be getting energy. From whom? Frog is going to get energy from insect. And now whatever the energy the insect has, from there only 10% will be transmitted to the next trophic level. This is next trophic level. So it will be getting 10%. Okay? Now see another thing. Frog is eaten by snake. Snake. Now in that case what happened? Again the same process. The frog utilized the energy for its growth, development, and for undergoing different metabolic processes. And of that, 90% of the energy will be utilized for its all the activities. When the frog is eaten by snake, then only 10% of the energy will be going to it. Very simple thing. Don't get confused with the 10%, 90%. Somewhere the question may be asked, why 90% of the energy is not transmitted? Or the question may be another way. Why 10% of the energy in the trophic level is always transmitted? Now let me give one example. Suppose the photosynthesis in case of the plants, it utilizes to produce 100 joule. That means the production carbohydrate. I am telling 10% is going to the next trophic level. So here the insect is going to get how many? 10%? 10 joule. Frog, when will be eating the insect, it will be getting only 10%. Now what is the 10% of 10 joule? Here it is coming 1 joule. snake. Snake is going to get the 10% of what the frog has. So it will be getting energy 0.1 joule. Only that is the transmission of 10% of energy. That you have to keep in mind. 90% is utilized for the growth, development of that organism. So each one is called the trophic level, or we can tell as TL. Plant is the first one. Producer is always the first trophic level. Then we spoke about whom? We spoke about insect. Insect is coming in the second trophic level. So it is, this insect is second trophic level. Trophic level 2. Frog is eating whom? Insect. Frog will be coming in third trophic level. Snake will be coming in the fourth trophic level. Now see, if you see the energy, 100 joule was there earlier. Next trophic level 10 joule was there. Next trophic level you are finding 1 joule. Next trophic level what you are finding? 0.1 joule. Definitely that is the decreasement of the energy. Definitely in that case you can tell that energy will not be transmitted anymore. So another question. Why in food chain we do not get more than 4 or 4 to 5 trophic level? That may be the question. Or question may be, why in a food chain we do not get more than 3 trophic level? That can be a question. Why in a food chain we cannot get more than 4 to 5 trophic level? That means up to 5. Why? That is the answer. Because there is always a 10% flow of energy. So your answer needs to be based on the 10% flow of energy. So that makes the complete answer of this. So what you are finding in this case, you are finding the trophic level. You are finding trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4. We'll go for. If you are putting eagle here, it will be coming in the trophic level 5. Next, what you are finding? What is the amount of sunlight is absorbed? 1% only. The sunlight is absorbed by the plants. Then you are coming to the next. That is the transmission of energy. What is the percentage of the transmission of energy? That is only 10%. Next, you are finding another thing. How long it will keep on going like that? Only up to 4 trophic level, maximum 5. Generally in the book that has been prescribed for you, it has been written 3 to 4. Okay. In that case, after that you are not getting why. There is the decreasement. That's what we come to know in the energy flow. So students, we will be going for more details related to other part. Thank you.